Welcome back to the T Ranch Sawmill. Today we're going to be putting a mechanical thumb on this dipper right here on my BT900 Kubota Backhoe. I've got a USA attachment 8x24 mechanical thumb. It's made out of AR 400 steel, 1/2 inch thick. I believe it comes with a 1-year warranty. I paid $769 to get it delivered here. It weighs 110 pounds. Hope you enjoy the video. I've got the mechanical thumb sitting on top of 1-inch boards on the top of the bucket. The bucket's at 90 degrees. First thing I notice is this is not going to fit between these two pieces of flat metal. So I'm going to have to chamfer this metal all the way around and see if I can get it to fit up in there. Now what I'm going to do is exercise the bucket. I'm going to put a chain around this right here, and I'm going to be real careful. And really all I'm trying to do is make sure it doesn't get any kind of bind. When you're trying to figure out where to position this, the best advice I can give you is close the bucket all the way like here and make sure you got clearance. Let it set down on it if you want to. If you do that, I believe you'll have it in the right spot. So we got it set at 90 degrees there, top hole. That's where my two pivots are. So I've got a chain ball holding it up, and I've got this chain right here with some wedges in it, just snugging it right into that groove right there. So it's not completely straight. I need to knock it over that way a little bit. So what I'm thinking about doing is tacking it with some 6011, just barely tack it, and then operate it some more to make sure. The instructions say to use 7018, so I'll take it back to my, instead of using my little Lincoln arc welder there, I'm going to take it over to my Lincoln gas welder, which I can use DC 7018. So before I get too far with it though, I'm gonna go down through here and get the paint off, mark where this is, and get the paint off of it all the way around, so when I weld it, I can get a pretty strong weld. After this orange paint dries, we're going to test this backhoe thumb, picking up rocks. Here we go. Here it goes, look. Show Papa how you can steer. Steer the tractor. Steer the tractor. Boom, 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 boom. You like it? It's fun. I can steer the tractor, Papa. Overall, I'm really pleased with this backhoe thumb. It's very good quality. The workmanship's great. I'm really excited about being able to cherry pick rocks and be able to reach over and grab a log and pick it up. Those two things we do quite often here on the ranch. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and have a blessed week.